Furosemide tablet, commonly known by the brand name Lasix, belongs to a group of drugs called diuretics, which are mainly used to reduce the swelling or edema caused by too much water in the body in people who have heart failure, liver, or kidney disease. This medicine is also used to treat high blood pressure. This drug has a black box warning. This is the most serious warning from the FDA. A black box warning alerts doctors and patients to drug effects that may be dangerous. Furosemide is a strong diuretic or water pill that helps your body get rid of excess water by increasing the amount of urine your body makes. If you take too much of this drug, it can lead to very low amounts of water and electrolytes in your body, and this can cause dehydration. Your doctor will monitor your fluid levels and may change your dosage based on these. Common side effects include dehydration, decreased potassium and magnesium levels in blood, low BP, electrolyte imbalance, and decreased sodium levels in blood. This drug may decrease alertness, affect your vision, or make you feel sleepy and dizzy. Do not drive if these symptoms occur. Now, some quick tips are: take this tablet in the morning with breakfast to avoid getting up at night to urinate. Also, monitor your blood pressure after starting Lasix tablet and notify your doctor if it does not lower down. Take potassium supplements or potassium-rich diet, as this tablet can decrease your potassium levels and lead to dehydration. Now that's all for the information regarding furosemide tablet and the black box warnings.